All right, in this quick video, I'm going to walk you through these two different ad templates, and I'm also going to show you some incredible ad examples right here and how they each performed. So in this example here, you can see this is open house with price and date. So the particular agent that was running this one, they actually included the price in their description, and they included the date of July 22nd and 23rd and a date range, or sorry, a time range. You can see this one generated leads for about 217 while it was running. So a very effective ad. Here's what the ad looked like itself when it was running. Here's another ad you could run. This one here has no price, but it does include the date. So you can still see it's got July 2nd from 1 to 4. This one generated leads for about $3.60, which is phenomenal. Here's what this ad looked like. Here's another one. This one has no price and date, but it's using an outside image. And so I really like this one as an example because you can see here, this one used an inside image, which you'll have to experiment a little bit, but $3.60, where this one was $1.64, and all things being equal, it had a little bit more of a description and it included the outside image. So you might want to consider that. If I was going to run this one here, I could put in the date and day, for example, April 13th, and let's just say 4 p.m. And so what you'll see here in the top, it's going to put in the ad in StreetText. I live in Kelowna, and I'll say it with a lake view and room for your RV. So we are open house listing Kelowna with a lake view and room for your RV. Come by April 13th from 4 p.m. Or if I wanted, I could also just change this to say Saturday at 4 p.m. because now I could actually run this ad multiple days as I'm generating the leads. I could run it for multiple weeks. So keep that in mind when you're running these two different ads. I would just click next. In this case, I would just send where that listing lives on your website. So whatever your website is / that listing. So drop a pin and put in the address of the property and then click done. Click next. I recommend a budget between $5 to $7 for your open house ad. And I would encourage you to do a 3-ad split test. It's a really powerful way of driving down your lead price, and then just go ahead and hit deploy. Now this ad is basically the same. However, if I selected this particular ad, it's going to give me a few more options. It's going to say how many bedrooms. So 5 bedroom, let's say 3 bathroom. In this case, I'm going to put in the description. So a great home with a lake view. And again, the same thing applies here. I could put in April 13th at 4 p.m. and you can see it's going to put that down below. Or I could say something like Saturday. And I could go 1 to 4 p.m. So play with this a little bit. And there's a whole bunch of different options, and the same thing applies. I would then put in your website. I would drop a pin of the address, and then I would choose my budget and my split test and hit deploy. So another really powerful feature about StreetText is that once your ad is created, we'll automatically create an automation for you. In this case, the automation is only adding a tag open house. If you like, you could always add an additional tag and just click create new tag. And you could enter in the open house with the street address. Click add event. And now you have a much more specific tag. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one. You could even add additional things like emails or text messages to your automation. Hope you found this video helpful. I'm excited to see what ads you run and what lead prices you generate on your open house ads.